All right, y'all, we got something super special, super clean today. We got a 1964 Cadillac Eldorado Baritz. This thing has been going through, and it is amazing, to say the least. So, first thing first, if it's your first time here, we go around the cars the best that we can. I'll take you all around it, interior, exterior, throw it on the rack so you can see underneath it. We'll also do a test drive. I'll try to show the rack, lights, all the electronics, basically everything I can. If I see it, you will see it. Obviously, that doesn't mean you're going to see every single thing on the car, but we try to do our best to represent it as best as possible. If you are interested in purchasing, you'll call us at 256-801-4409, and we can do a FaceTime. So, first things first, beautiful black paint. It's been repainted, paint within the last 6 months, so looks pretty solid, definitely. All chrome is intact on the vehicle. We do have a new set of 17-inch Kelsey Hayes with the Vogue tires. They are new, so excellent condition. We'll move on down the car. Nothing really to point out on the body. No major waves or dents or anything that need to be seen. Coming to the rear of the vehicle. Again, nothing really crazy there. Top is new. It does have a cloth top. You guys will see that later on in the video. Ignore this right here. This is from a suction cup. So ignore that and get that off of there. Trunk looks good. I don't have any dents or anything there. Rear bumper looks good. No cracks or pitting or anything. All trim appears to be intact. Driver side, again, rear quarter looks pretty good. Just gonna keep on moving. Glass is in good condition. No cracks, no rock chips. Come back towards the front. Front grille is intact. None of the little slats are missing. Chrome around the headlights look great, and our front bumper looks solid. Let's see if I can remember. Never fails with these Eldorados. I can't never get my hand in there to reach the pool. Ever. All right, give me a second. Literally never fails. I can never get my hand under here to hit this latch right here, but all right, got it now. So as you can see, pretty clean engine bay. It has been LS swapped. I believe it's a 5.3. AC, power brakes, power steering, new wiper motor, aluminum radiator, electric fans. Pretty solid. Obviously, she's meant to cruise. Go ahead and grab the keys. Pop this trunk. And wrong key. Put you down for a second. There we go. Nothing special in the trunk. It's just nice and clean as you expect. Black carpeted. There's an amp for the indoor inside speakers. Go ahead and get to the rest. Interior, all has been redone. Beautiful red interior. Still matches the stock style, just red. And everything's been redone. Panels, carpets, mats, dash. So super clean interior. No rips, tears, or stains anywhere that I can point out. Door panels as well look amazing. No cracks, no warping. Chrome looks pretty solid on there as well. Custom console there, just for the cup holders and then the sounds. When I do the test drive, I'll show you guys it lights up as well. So, like I said, beautiful, beautiful interior. Give me a second, we'll do this test drive. All right, cool. So we're in the Eldorado, so we can go ahead and fire her up. Again, it's LS swap, so we can go ahead, let it prime for a second. Fire her up. Again, little custom console here. Nothing crazy, super dope though. Lights up. Charger for your phone. Radio does work. It's a retro sound. It works. Amps connected. All of that. Lights are automatic. They are already on. I can see them off that car there. Horn is good. Wipers good. Let me see. I hear the compressor, but I ain't gonna lie, I'm not feeling anything from the vents. I got a little bit of air from the bottom, so we'll get that checked. Left turn, if you guys don't know, they show up there. Right turn up there. Vent windows. Regular windows. Another one. Another one. I think that's it for everything. You guys will see what else? The top. You guys will see that later on in the video. I normally do that at the end. Go ahead and roll out. As you guys can hear, she's super quiet. She wasn't set up to be, you know, extra loud muscle car sound. She's still a nice cruiser. The LS just gives it a little bit more reliable power. You guys aren't worrying about you know, MPG, because I don't, but it also helps with that. So beautiful day, but it is like 95 out, so this ain't no ain't no convertible day for me personally. You got to wear a hat all day. Like I said, it's 95 right now. Drums all the way around. I'm sure the brakes don't feel bad. Hands off the wheel. She's not pulling or anything like that. Speedometer is working. It's coming up. Oh, mileage reads 9,314. You know how it is when it comes to these old cars. Might be rolled over, might not be. So don't have anything crazy. No belt squeals, anything like that. No rattling. Actually, I do have a little bit from the visors, but that's because they're not latched in. I'm gonna try to latch this one in. Yeah, it doesn't have the little piece on there, so got a little rattling from the visors, but that's normal. You can just tilt those down. Everything appears to be working. Temp is coming up. Fuel gauge reads half. I have no other lights on the dash right now. This car is 100% a looker. Obviously, all 60s Cadillacs are, especially Eldorados, especially Baritz, but especially when they've been painted, new interior, and the Kelsey Hayes. Just keep it old school and make it jump off. I am going to head back. We're going to throw her on the rack and let you guys see underneath. All right, got the Eldorado on the rack. Again, rear bumper looks pretty solid. Not perfect by any means, but looks solid. Underneath, you can tell this car has been coated, so I'm gonna say it looks good, but I don't see any rust spots or anything on the frame extensions. Gas tank doesn't have any leaks. Unfortunately, they did spray this with that chrome paint. If you've watched any of my videos, you guys know I hate that, so I'll point that out. All stock suspension, it appears, under here. Like I said, everything's been coated. I'm gonna go down the passenger side first. Frame is nice and straight, and then as you look at the floors, again, they're coated, so they look good, but I don't see any soft spots, holes, no light coming through or anything. So we're gonna say the floors look good. Down the driver's side, more of the same. Again, frame looks great. I don't see any rust or anything that needs to be pointed out there. This muffler's been replaced at some point in time. You guys know we just came off the test drive. Trans and oil pan look good. I don't have anything that I can see there. Drums in the front as expected. There's had to been some type of rebuild because I see new pins, new cotter pins in. So at some point in time, some work was done. No signs of leaks or anything. Looks like these bushings were replaced. So very, very clean underneath. Front bumper, same as the rear. It looks good, not perfect, but does its job. Wheels and tires are new at all four corners. Again, 17s, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Can't see up there, but I'm pretty sure, yeah. 235, 55, 17s, all four corners. Cladding looks solid underneath. Quarters, again, I didn't have anything there. Looks pretty solid. Very, very beautiful car. All the leg work has been done on this. So I'm gonna drop it down, check out the top. All right, I always tell you guys, make sure you start your cars when you use the tops up and down, because they do drain batteries super quick. So your choice if you choose to listen to me or not, but I'll always start them. And go ahead, get this top up. Pretty solid speed, no issues there. Obviously, again, like I said, it's a new top. Lines up pretty solid. New cloth top, that's what everybody wants. Glass back as well, so no issues there. And so you guys can see the lights do work. So if you're interested in this 64, call us at 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and Instagram. And as always, appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.